everyone, welcome to Yopedia job updates and preparation. So this particular video is specifically also for one more job notification that has been came out in Aeronautical Development Agency, Bangalore. Okay, for the post of I can say it out project scientist on the program based limited tenure contract appointment. Okay. So yes, project scientist की post है in Bangalore. Those who are eligible for that, we are just going to check the eligibility. They can apply for this post, right? And we will check that what can be the selection procedure, till when we can apply, and lot of things are there to be discussed in this video. So stay with me till the end of this video. Okay, so this is the post project scientist B. ठीक है? Total 26 vacancies are there and subject is computer science and engineering. So yes, अगर आप you are also from the computer networking, communication information technology, ठीक है? If you are also from computer science engineering, you can be the part of that, ठीक है? Then it comes electronics and communication. So yes, if you are also from the electronics and communication, you can also be the part of this organization. There are 16 posts are there. Then it comes to electrical and electronics engineering, electrical and instrumentation engineering. So yes, you should have that degree in respective field and valid GATE score. You can say it out. Working experience up to 3 years and any discipline of electrical engineer. Similarly for all this. Okay? Then it comes to mechanical engineering. So yes, you should have a degree and master's degree or PhD if you have. Metallurgical engineering. Similarly, you should have that degree in that, and you need to be you should have a good experience in that also. Aeronautical engineer also. So yes, these are the post. Then project scientist C, computer science and engineering में similarly वो discipline आते हैं. इसमें आपका GATE score या कुछ भी ज़रूरी नहीं है. आपके पास experience होना चाहिए, degree होनी चाहिए. Electronics and communication में भी you should have first class bachelor's degree and you should have experience of 3 years. Electrical and electronics engineering, electrical instrumentation engineering में, then mechanical में, metallurgical engineering में, aeronautical engineering में, ठीक है? Eligibility for recruitment, yes, we have already discussed in that. Still आपका qualification experience दोनों बहुत ज़्यादा matter करते हैं, ठीक है? Post graduate qualification engineering 1 year weightage, ये 1 year उसका ज़्यादा weightage होती है, and doctorate degree की 3 years of weightage होती है as per higher qualification, वो count की जाती है, ठीक है? प्रोजेक्ट साइंटिस्ट बी, प्रोजेक्ट साइंटिस्ट सी बेसिकली आपका ये चेकआउट होगा एंड ये आपकी सैलरी रहने वाली है अकॉर्डिंगली. जो प्रोजेक्ट साइंटिस्ट सी है वो 40 इयर्स तक के कैंडिडेट्स अप्लाई कर सकते हैं एंड जो बी है दैट कैन अप्लाई टिल 35 इयर्स ऑफ एज, ठीक है? Apart from that, documents that you need to be upload, ठीक है? स्क्रीनिंग एंड शॉर्टलिस्टिंग. सो बेसिकली एडमिनिस्ट्रेटिव स्क्रीनिंग होने वाली है, दैट इज फॉर आइडेंटिटी, एज, essential higher qualifications. Then technical screening for a suitable experience and you should have degree that also. प्रिलिमिनरी ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यू, आपका ऑनलाइन इंटरव्यू रहने वाला है पहले ऑनलाइन, फिर यू विल बी गेट शॉर्टलिस्टेड फॉर द फाइनल पर्सनल इंटरव्यू, राइट? फाइनल पर्सनल इंटरव्यू रहने वाला है एंड पर्सनल इंटरव्यू फर्स्ट कंसिडरेशन फॉर सिलेक्शन 70% फॉर ऑल अनरिजर्व्ड एंड 60% फॉर ऑल रिजर्व्ड वैकेंसीज यू शुड बी क्वालिफाई, ठीक है? ऑनलाइन सबमिशन विल रिमेन अवेलेबल ऑन ADA वेबसाइट अप टू 20th April 2025. तो 20 अप्रैल तक आप इसमें अप्लाई कर सकते हैं, ठीक है? Then it comes to your perks and allowances, what you're going to be gain in that particular growth opportunities in that organization. These are some instructions you can read out accordingly and can apply also, ठीक है? So yes, this is the notification have been came out in Aeronautical Development Agency, Bangalore, and project officer project manager I can say it out, sorry, project scientist B and project scientist C. There are 2 posts. different discipline में आप apply कर सकते हो. electrical में हो, electronics में हो, mechanical में हो, aeronautics में हो, या फिर आप basically I can say it out computer science में हो, ठीक है? सिविल वाले इंजीनियर जो सिविल इंजीनियरिंग बैकग्राउंड वो इसमें अप्लाई नहीं कर सकते, ठीक है? मेक श्योर प्रोजेक्ट साइंटिस्ट बी के लिए आपके पास एक वैलिड गेट स्कोर भी होना चाहिए, आपका पीएचडी है वो भी काउंट होगी, बट उससे पहले सबसे ज्यादा डिजायरेबल जो क्वालिफिकेशन दैट वुड बी योर डिग्री इन दैट रिस्पेक्टिव फील्ड। और प्रोजेक्ट साइंटिस्ट सी के लिए यू जस्ट नीड वर्क एक्सपीरियंस एंड योर डिग्री, ठीक है। 20th April is the last date. Pay scale is already very good, and yes, you're going to be get lot of opportunities and growth opportunities in this particular organization. आपका जो सिलेक्शन मोड रहने वाला दैट विल बी योर, पहले आपका ऑनलाइन पर्सनल इंटरव्यू होगा, देन योर फाइनल पर्सनल इंटरव्यू, okay? So yes, Yourpedia is also a platform which is making you prepare for every kind of interview. So you can be the part of Yourpedia also to make your interview selection and to make yourself prepare for your interview. Okay, so we're going to mentor you, we're going to help you out for that also. Okay, all the very best, and you can just read out this document this particular notification in Yourpedia channel. Stay update with Yourpedia job updates. Good luck.